In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on System. After that, select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Revert. Lastly, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!